Hi guys, today we are cooking beans. By the way, I bought microphones, Hollywood microphones. This sound ni killer microphones, so let's use them. Mniambie mnipe review pia nyinyi. Guys, this is the microphone. You can hear the difference in the sound, right? And it's so convenient. It's small. Wow. It's cool. So today nafanya fridge restock. But msiniulize, oh, hii ndio ilikuwa fridge restock. Let me come and show you. Mishapika. Yesterday I cooked kamande, so it's already in the fridge. Yeah, tuanze na kufanyaje? Inaitangwa aje? Kutoa uchafu. Yeah. But I'm so happy I've bought the microphones and nimetamani for so long. So now the voice videos amta struggle kusikia sound yangu tena. You'll never ever struggle again. Yeah. Let's make the beans, package them. Until tupate pesa ya kustoko manyama. Sausages. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, so we cook with me. Is it cook with me really? Is it cooking or I think it's cook the beans and package them in the fridge. Yeah. Come guys. Guys, this is it. Yeah, guys, that's it. Tufunike, we give it 20 minutes. It will be ready. Nice one. It's good now. We leave it to cook 20 minutes. We come back and check. Oh, that's so noisy. I think sasa zimeiva. No chance that they are not. Zimekawia yani nikaamua kupikanga sapa meanwhile. So, nimekelea rice. Saijakuwa na pressure mingi juu sijaweka for long. Don't you need somebody? We're both losing our mind. Iko sawa? Oh. Mke hazijakaa venye napendanga. Takanga ziko zime crack zote. Something is not cooking well, but that's it. They are ready, so I let them cool down. Then sijui niziweke hapa. Then I'll package them when they are cold now. Oh gosh. Tonight, 'cause it's came to be lonely. Yeah, that's it. Chazi they drain the water. Ni water tena. Hiyo supu yake alafu zipoe. Nizi package sasa. Yeah, ni hivyo tu. Now we can package them. I usually use these bags. Sina zip bags zile za kunini. Let me look for one. Let's now package. I will use these bags before ninunue zip bags za fridge. Oh gosh, sijui kama yenyewe zitatosha. So I usually put an amount that I cook per meal. An amount? Does it add up? Yeah, I think so. They are too many. Zote zimeisha but pia nimemaliza kupackage. Come get this. Yeah, this is it. Zimetokea how many pieces? 4, 6, 8 na nimepika zingine za zimebaki, so tie them. The kamande ilikuwa 1 kg and the beans were 2 kg. Kamande I made. And ilitokea 5 ama ni 4 pieces. 4. Yenyewe ziko the same rate na hizi ni 8. 1 kg, 4 kg, 2 kg. Hii inajaza fridge vizuri. Kuja hapa late. Nyanya, kitunguu, beans, done. Mchele, done. Next, nakuja kustock mboga. I know you're wondering how. But we will do it together. Nakuja kustock managu kienyeji yote. We still do the same thing. We boil, then we pack them. So let's put them in the fridge. Guys, you can see so far hizi ndo kamande na tu sausage tumebaki. Very nice. Naona freezer yangu kanajaa. Just nimebakisha tu kuleta nyama na vegetables. Kuchini bado. It's bad. Guys, thank you for watching. Till next time. Thank you so much. Msisahau kusubscribe. I love you.